Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. Happy to meet you all in another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to scan weekly narrow CPR stocks. So weekly narrow CPR stocks are expected to be trending for the entire week. So in our previous video, we discussed how to scan narrow CPR for every day, which means daily narrow CPR stocks. Now in this video, we will check how to scan weekly narrow CPR stocks. So you have to go to cprbykgs.com website and you have to click on the narrow CPR scanner. As soon as you click on the narrow CPR scanner page, you can see uh, upload Bhavcopy or CSV file. And here there is a toggle option, daily CPR and weekly CPR. Default, it will be in daily CPR only because every day we have to calculate narrow CPR stocks. You have to go to weekly CPR, and here you can see you have to upload the respective day's Bhavcopy accordingly. Now I will tell you how to do this. After Friday, as soon as the market closes, the Bhavcopy for Friday will be available at 6 p.m. So probably after Friday 6 p.m. or Saturday or Sunday during your free time, you can check weekly narrow CPR stocks. So what you have to do is first we have to download the 5 days Bhavcopy. So what I will do is you can check on the instructions. You have to go to NSE equity archives and you have to search for that respective date and you have to download the Bhavcopy. Now for daily CPR, the link is open NSE all reports. But for weekly CPR, it is NSE equity archives. So just click on this NSE equity archives and it will redirect you to the NSE website. So here what you have to do is you have to search for the date. So what I will do, I will click on Monday, June 1, and I will search for Bhavcopy. So as soon as I click on the Bhav, I can see this full Bhavcopy and security deliverable data. I will click on download. So it is downloaded. Now let me go to June 2, Tuesday, and I can see this full Bhavcopy and security deliverable data for June 2nd. Let me click on that and it will be downloaded. And let me go to June 3. Okay. So I will click on download for June 3. It is downloaded. Now let me go to June 4, Thursday. Let me click on full Bhavcopy. It is downloaded. Now let me go to June 5. I will click on full Bhavcopy and now again it is downloaded. So you can see my downloads folder. We have downloaded for June 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For 5 days, Monday to Friday, we have downloaded. Now come to our narrow CPR scanner website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload one by one. So Monday, I will choose 0106. This June 1st Bhavcopy. I will click on upload. And for Tuesday, I will click on June 2nd and I will upload. And for Wednesday, June 3, I will click on upload. And for Thursday, it is June 4, I will click on upload. And for Friday, it is June 5, I will click on upload. All right. Now I will click on the calculate weekly CPR. All right. So by default, it will show you the results for FNO stocks. If you want, you can check for all the equity stocks, which is more than 2,400, all the NSE equity stocks. But I prefer only FNO stocks. So there are totally 211 stocks. Now here I want only very narrow CPR. So what I will do, I will enter the condition as 0.1%. So now you can see over here, 17 stocks are satisfying our narrow CPR criteria. Okay. So in that, you can see IRFC, which is on top of the list. IRFC, Marico, and SRF. So let us check one by one. So I will change the time frame to 1 hour. And you can see weekly CPR in the labels. Now let me search for IRFC. So you can see over here the weekly CPR, which is applicable for the entire week. So the entire week is expected to be trending. So IRC is having a very narrow weekly CPR. So the entire week, Monday to Friday, we can expect a trending market. And the CPR values also will be matching. You can see over here, it is around 96.48 paisa and 47 paisa. And here you can see 98, 96, 48 paisa and 47 paisa. So the levels will be matching. Now let us check for Marico and SRF. So let me go to Marico. So Marico is also having a very narrow weekly CPR and SRF. So SRF is also having a very narrow weekly CPR. You can sort it based on the alphabetical order or based on the LTP from lower price to higher price. And even you can sort it based on the range. Okay, so now let us check for the least range. IRFC already we have checked. So let us check for the least range, BPCL and Power Grid. So let me go to BPCL. So the range is basically previous week high and previous week low range. Okay, so this range is basically very less for BPCL from previous day high, from previous week high to previous week low, which is hardly 10 points only. So you can see over here, it is matching with the range, and BPCL has traded below the previous week low and it has given a fall up to this S3 level. And the next one is Power Grid. So let us check for Power Grid also, which is having a very tight range. So Power Grid is also having a very tight range. Yes, Power Grid. The range is roughly around 13 points. So let us check the range from previous week high to previous week low. So around 13 points. So based on the tight range also, you can sort it. Based on the width tightness also, you can sort it out. And this narrow CPR scanner is absolutely for free, and it is available in our website cprbycages.com. You have to use this weekly narrow CPR scanner only after Friday, as soon as the market closes. Probably you can check on Saturday or Sunday. And once the result is available over here, what you can do is you can do your study after during the weekend, and you can be prepared for the next week. If you want even more tighter filter, as I said in the previous video, you have to enter the width as 0.05. So now you will have only 9 stocks, and among those 9 stocks, you can do your own analysis and you can be prepared for the next week and you can plan your trades. So I hope you all enjoy this tool, Narrow CPR Scanner tool for daily CPR and weekly narrow CPR. For monthly narrow CPR also, we will come up with a different idea and we will update you very soon. If you are having any queries, please post it in the comment section. Until then, I am signing off. This is Gomathi Shankar. Thank you. Bye.